my front yard.
Nope.
Look at that snow-capped ridge over there. It looks cool, right?
Yeah. What is it? Which one is it?
I'm not sure. Man, it's just... Okay, the almond tree is just about done. And the two nectarine trees are doing really good because Nicole pruned them real good. And this mysterious volunteer fruit tree, it's got a lot of flowers on it. I don't know what it's gonna do, and I don't know what kind of fruit tree it is, but my plum tree is flowering. It's looking good. It's almost done flowering. That's a good picture right there. Uh-oh, someone might be coming into heat. I don't think they have poison oak in them. There's not too much around here. I don't hardly see any. We couldn't find it. So this is the garden I started last year, and my people living here on the land with me are improving it and working on it. Got some raised beds here.